a dispute because our HM, it didn't go well, and we had a general election, and it was stolen. Our ballot papers were stolen, so we asked for a dispute. We wanted to recount again or re-elect again, so they never came back to us. It's been 2 weeks now. We've been asking JJ and the people inside here. We've told them the very same day after the elections. We found ballot papers that they hidden away under the table, so we asked for a dispute, but they never came back to us. Now today they say to us, it's the last day today for us to put in our name for our candidate. They've got the candidate. So we are here to stop. We're not going to accept that candidate. We cannot. They can do whatever they want. We as the ANC, we decided no more. We're not going to vote in Ward 108. We're not going to vote in Ward 14. All those areas that is here, we're not going to vote at all.
And a candidate for what? What candidate?
For the ward councillor.
In which ward? Which area?
We are here 108, and then there's Ward 90, and there's Ward 34. They've all got the same problem of our ballot papers that was stolen, and then they bring their own candidates. These people here inside.